ladies and gentlemen, we have a bald eagle right in the middle of our show box. It could not get more perfect. And we have jumpers away. Ladies and gentlemen, if you notice, the smoke is separated. They come together. They are going about 120 miles an hour, and when they break off at the bottom, after doing a couple of spins, if you notice the rotation, they're just spinning the two people. They break off on the bottom. The angles look incredible. And we have 1, 2 beautiful parachutes, and right behind them there's 2 others that are going to be doing a very special presentation in just a minute. Our number 1 jumper today, and he's going to set the stack for the rest of the jumpers to follow, is our team leader. He is Mr. Tim Groves. He's from Kettering, Ohio, with over 1,500 parachute jumps. He is also a retired Special Forces operator, as are all of the team members on the team, a Special Operations Force. You may have heard of some of our. And if you look at Rob circling, you'll see 2 parachutes that look like they're joined together because they are. The top jumper has his feet in the bottom jumper's canopy. That's called a canopy formation. And they're going to bring in the flags in just a minute. So if you notice, Tim's flying just like he would if you're an airplane. He just did a downwind. He's doing his base, and he's getting ready to turn final for a beautiful landing right in the drop zone. And of course, we could never do it without our drop zone safety officer, who is actually our senior jumper with over 10,000 parachute jumps, Mr. Andy Serrano from Corvette, Puerto Rico. And what a beautiful landing. Great job, Tim. And now, ladies and gentlemen, if you would please rise for the playing of our national anthem performed by the Parris Island Marine Band.
Right here, feel it.
Over your shoulder and to the right. In formation, the C-130 Hercules from the United States Navy Blue Angels, and also Rob Holland in a formation flyby coming from the right. Here come Rob Holland and Fat Albert. Smoke is on. The nose comes up, and watch him now. He'll point it straight down at the ground and put it into a bunch of spins on the way down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 turns. And the rate at which snap rolls were taking place increased the roll rate of this airplane as he tumbles it nose for tail, tail for nose, with a quadruple knife edge tumble. This airplane and engine combination under the capable hands, the incredibly capable hands of Rob Holland. He's doing things that other pilots quick. nose straight down, he'll pick up lots more energy. In the MXS RH, that RH for Rob Holland. As he pushes the envelope with an airplane that is stretched 5 to 1 to approximately 16 times the force of gravity. And my friends, during these performances, he goes about fuel speed. Now, when the airplane is at 400 to just 50, the experience to rely on positive G's and as many as 9 negative G's for its short durations throughout this performance. Down the 45, rolling hard to the left. 400 horsepower motor on this very, very lightweight and strong airframe. Do a race here with the cars from Precision Exotics. Catch up in the overtake of this blue car. Oh man, it's fast. Rob Holland, Precision Exotics. Hornet, put on a Maverick helmet to get your picture taken.